Hey everybody, this is Mike with Plus 8 Precision, and today was pickup day for an online auction. Even during a state lockdown. Gotta do what you gotta do to get a good deal, right? Alright, so I'm just gonna kind of show you quickly. This will be a short, quick video of some of the stuff I got. What I got you looking at right now is a Starrett surface plate, inspection grade A. The place went out of business, which is always sad to see. I don't know what caused it. I'll show you the certification sticker on this plate. They just had it certified in January. And here we are a few months later, and they're liquidating the contents of their shop. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so here is the Starrett. It's an 18 by 24. See if I can show you that. 18. By 24. Starrett. And there's the inspection. Just seems kind of strange that they would have had it inspected. I mean, unless it's this COVID thing, put them out of business. Maybe they were hanging on by a thread as it was, and this COVID thing was the straw that broke the camel's back. Very sad and unfortunate, but I got a good deal on this. I needed a surface plate that was of a more substantial size than the one I've been using, and pretty happy to get this one. You do get blessed with a good deal every once in a while, and I think this is one of those times. So I'll show you some of the other stuff I got. I got a few things. I didn't get everything I wanted, but I got some of the stuff that I wanted. Here's another item I picked up. It's like a little mini Heithmaster. It's a Brown and Sharp. And it is a Heith set, 583. Don't know what year this is made, but you can see it's a 9-inch version. It's got the different steps. You can dial in like a micrometer dial your heights. I have checked some of these steps to my gauge blocks, and they're size for size. So it appears that it works. There's no certification sticker on here, or no year or anything. I don't know much about this. I'm familiar with Heithmasters though. They make your life quite easy. Needs to be cleaned up. It's in good shape. So, I was happy to get this. These are the two items that I really wanted to get, was the surface plate and this Heithmaster. But I did get a couple more things, so I'll continue on and show you what those are. All right, here's another lot. I believe this is a Starrett surface gauge. I already have one of these. This one is a slightly smaller version, just like my Starrett version that I bought years ago new when I was in my apprenticeship. This doesn't have any markings other than on the spindle. It says Starrett. It looks pretty much identical to the one I have, just older. There is a name here. It's a person's name, I suspect toolmaker or grinder hand. This was a grinding shop that went out of business. I'm not familiar with this. There is no markings on it. This is considered a precision height gauge. This is an adjusting screw, fine adjustments. It's pretty tall. Don't know exactly how tall. I didn't bother measuring, but it is tall. I believe it's missing a rack that goes here. You can see there's a little keyway for something, clearance for the rack, I'm assuming, because this knob right here spins a little gear that's inside of here. So I think that would have been for your precision height adjustment. But it's very heavy. I mean, it is extremely heavy. It's a good 25 pounds. It's not aluminum, it's all steel. Castings down here. Pretty heavy duty rod for holding the indicator. And this was a 2-part lot. Again, happy to get it. A little bit disappointed that the rod isn't there. So I mean, it's still, you can use it as an indicator stand. It's just not adjustable with this knob any longer. All right, let's move on. This was another lot. All these pieces. I believe this was a shop-made measuring straight edge of some sorts. You know, you got these different pieces, different spindles that you could attach things on. Obviously a generic indicator holder. This is a piece of aluminum. It's been surface ground on both sides, and then these hardened plates been attached to it. Mainly I was interested in the indicator, which is a Brown and Sharp 1/10 dial indicator with 25 thousandths travel, which is a lot of travel for a 10th indicator. And it works fine. Oops, I don't have the screws tightened. I took it out and cleaned it up a little bit, but it does work. You can see that. It does have a little bit of slowness to it. It's in this secondary spindle, which attaches with a compression fitting up here. So I know it was made in the shop. I don't think it was anything that was purchased. You know, all these different attachments. You know, they all come in handy when you're measuring and trying to check flatness of things. This is nice and flat. You know, has some weird shapes cut through it. But I got that. Pretty happy about having that. I'm going to keep it as a straight edge. I'll probably take the indicator out, use that in other situations. But that was another lot. Straightforward. All right, let's keep moving on. All right, I got this. It's just a nice shop table. It's not on casters or anything. I can add some. Don't know if I will. Wife's already trying to claim it for her needs. This was $5. It's made out of some angle stock. It's not very heavy. It doesn't have a thick plate on it or anything. It's all just heavier sheet metal, maybe 1/8 inch everywhere. But it's, you know, it's a good horizontal surface to collect things on. It's got a shelf. It sits nice and level. You know, it's nothing to write home about, but $5. Pretty decent deal. All right. And last but not least, just a nice cabinet. It's 36 inches by roughly 18 inches. Open up the doors. 3 shelves. No, oh, it does have a key. Wow. That's kind of neat. I didn't think it had a key. It's got a little piece of wood on the top. It's pretty lightweight. I wouldn't store any heavy equipment in here. But you could definitely put some stuff in there. Could probably put it on a mobile base or something. A lot of my stuff is on wheels. But, you know, this was also $5. This I just bought today. I didn't even bid on this one, but it was there, and the guy said, hey, you interested in anything extra? And I says, like what? And he says, pointing out this and a couple other shelves. So I said, yeah, what the hell? and took this. So that was today's excitement. I hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe, comment, like, share, hit the notification bell so you get notified of any new videos I put out. If you've already subscribed, thank you for subscribing. I hope you're enjoying the content that I put out. If you enjoy the content and you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to the channel. It all helps. You know, give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down. I like doing this. I like sharing stuff that I find. I like sharing the projects that I'm doing. So, enjoy this Memorial weekend. Today is Friday, 22nd of May. Stay safe. Stay healthy. This is Mike with Plus 8 Precision. Have a good one.